Hello everybody, this is going to be my fast short of nature and some of our outdoor lights and stuff. This over here is a pumpkin and a skeleton, in case if you're wondering. The skeleton's lit up.
Describe what you're seeing, bud.
Here's the truck. Here's some more flowers lit up. And here's another skeleton. But I don't know if it lights up or not.
No, it don't light up.
Here's some of our beachy shells and all that too. I don't know how well you can see them. Here's more of our pumpkins and stuff. Get over here, Harley.
Our cat likes chasing little frogs.
And lizards and butterflies.
Yeah, so sorry about that, everybody.
Here, Harley. You want some pettings?
Okay. Hope you enjoyed. Like and share. And this is the end. Let us know what your comments, what you think we should do.